Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color, and white color. Kids, now draw alphabets. And first we draw A and use green color. This is A. A for apple. This is B. B for ball. This is C. C for cat. This is D. D for dog. This is E. E for elephant. This is F. F for fish. This is G. G for God. Kids, now H. The alphabets of H. And here is yellow color. Yellow color. This is H. H for helicopter. This is I. I for ice cream. This is J. J for joker. This is K. K for king. This is L. L for lion. This is M. M for moon. This is N. N for nose. This is O. O for orange. This is P. P for parrot. Kids, now Q. The alphabets of Q. And use red color. This is Q. Q for queen. This is R. R for rose. This is S. S for sun. This is T. T for teacher. Kids, now U. The alphabets of U. And U is blue color. This is U. U for umbrella. This is V. V for van. This is W. W for wallet. This is X. X for xylophone. This is Y. Y for yak. This is Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.